Hello, fellow language learners. Welcome to another exciting daily phrase video. Today, we'll explore the phrase, cost an arm and a leg. Let's dive into its meaning and use. Meaning of the phrase: if something costs an arm and a leg, it means it is very expensive. The origin: this idiom is believed to originate from the high cost of significant items in the past. Pronunciation guide: cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg. Use in a sentence: I'd love to buy that car, but it costs an arm and a leg. I wanted to buy that designer dress, but it costs an arm and a leg. Our summer vacation was fantastic, but the hotel cost us an arm and a leg. He bought a luxury car that cost him an arm and a leg. Renovating the kitchen is going to cost an arm and a leg, but it will be worth it. Sending their children to private school is costing them an arm and a leg. Now it's your turn. Try making a sentence using cost an arm and a leg. Drop your sentences in the comments below. I'm eager to see your creative uses. Well done on expanding your English idioms. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more phrases.